Time for board math again. Hey, Carter, turn your head, look right here. Let's get going with our cheer. All together. B-O-A-R-D. B-O-A-R-D. Board math, board math. Yippee! Read along with me. What number is it? How do I write a 14? 1 for the 10, 4 for the ones, 14. What number comes next? 4, 5, 6. How do you write a 6? Down to a loop, 6 rolls a hoop. 50, 60, 70. How do you write a 70? 7 for the 10s, 0 for the 1s. 70. How many do you see? When there are nice lines like this, let's count them just like we read. Left to right, top to bottom. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. How do you write a 20? 2 for the 10, 0 for the 1s, 20. Is it greater than, less than, or equal? First, do we have two numbers? Well, we got number 20 here, got some dots. How many dots? You should be able to look at that and tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down, big belly, back up for the hat. Now we have two numbers. First question is, are they equal? No. So I'm looking for the greater one, the bigger one to eat. Of those, it is 20. That's right. And we read this as 20 is greater than 5. Number sentences. 5 plus 2 equals. Remember, the plus means to add, to put two together. So we can do our mental math. We can count on 5, 6, 7. We can also draw our pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 2 more. 1, 2 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Read it. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Let's slide that one over. Look at our new problem though. 2 plus 5 equals. If we look, they're the same. They're just switched. And that's okay to do in adding. It's going to come out to the same answer. Grab 2, count on 5. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Draw our pictures. 1, 2, plus 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Same answer. Read it. 2 plus 5 equals 7. Ten plus 0 equals. Quick, easy mental math. If we're adding 0 to something, it stays the same. Read it with me. 10 plus 0 equals 10. How many in the 10 frames? And we got two 10 frames here. First one is full. Second one is not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 and 6 is 16. How many more to make 20? Well, if 2 10s is 20, we need to have them all full. We're missing 1, 2, 3, 4. Down and across and down some more. That's the way to write a 4. What shape is it? Looks different than the last couple of days. But it's still a triangle. How do you know? it still has 3 corners or vertices. And it has 1, 2, 3 sides. It is a triangle. Let's go back to the train station. We'll have a new one next week, but let's read. What shapes do you see? Okay. Clock is a circle. Lots of rectangles. We've got our rectangle sign, rectangle back of the bench, rectangle parts to the platform, rectangle wood pieces, rectangle half of this chimney. We also have our triangles on the roof here, in the door. Don't forget the circle clock. Squares inside of the bricks for this other chimney. Okay, shapes all over. Let's do our word problem now. Here we go. Word problem. I'm going to read it, then we're going to go over it again to get the important information. Dominic has 3 flowers. Annabelle has 6 flowers. The flowers are purple and pink. How many flowers do Dominic and Annabelle have all together? Quick mental math. Okay, but let's go back and check it again. Let's see what's important. Dominic has 3 flowers. What's important? 3 flowers. Annabelle has 6 flowers. What's important? 6 flowers. The flowers are purple and pink. What's important? Not much for our math problem. Purple and pink flowers are beautiful though. How many flowers do Dominic and Annabelle have all together? So we're asking how many flowers, and the key word here is all together. Remember, that word means we're going to add them up. We're going to put them together. So we're going to look at this. I know you can do your mental math. 6 plus 3 or 3 plus 6. We can also do our pictures. So Dominic, he has 3 flowers. 1, 2, 3. While Annabelle has 6 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many flowers do Dominic and Annabelle have all together? So we can count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Because 3 plus 6 equals 9. 9 oranges? 9 dogs? No, 9 flowers. Make sure we get that information in there. And my final question always is, does it make sense? Yes, it does. If it doesn't, we need to go back and look at our work again. Okay, another day of board math. Great job. Yareli, I need to hear you louder. Okay? Bump, bubble, bump, bump. Kindergarten rocks!